the show. A little bit of a late start again today, but hey, better late than never, they say. That's right, we've been giving her already for like at least 3 hours, and it was still dark when I took off this morning, so I never got the chance to turn on my camera yet this morning. And then we got going down the road for a little while, and just as the sun started coming in, people started calling me. I'm like, okay. So I've been on the phone until now. I said, now it's time to get off the phone and start making some videos. You guys want to see something, right? So we got to start making videos. Yeah, I was thinking about stopping up here down the road here about half an hour. There's that Mexican restaurant there, but they don't open till 11 o'clock, so it's only 9:30 right now, and I'll be there in about a half an hour. So that would mean I'll be there at 10 o'clock. Well, I would have to wait an hour before they even open. Well, I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to have to find me another place where I can pull her over and take my half an hour break and have me some breakfast or whatever. Obviously, I wasn't going to have breakfast at the rest area where I was spending the night at, up there in Kansas. Well, I'm still in Kansas, but just at the first rest area when I came into Kansas is where I spent the night at, right? And reason being is they only had McDonald's in there, so I don't care for McDonald's, you know. So anyways, I mean, I'll eat it every once in a while if I got no other choice, but I generally like to eat somewhere else in a normal restaurant where I can order eggs, right? Real eggs. But anyways, we got about 83 clicks until we hit the Highway 2 on, we're on this US 75 right now. And so that means in about an hour and a half, give or take, I'll be there hitting in the I-29, right? Pearsall or whatever it's called, I can never say it there correctly. But there's a Pilot and that other truck stop, I forget what it's called. And that other truck stop has actually got a regular restaurant in it. So I'm thinking I'm going to go up to there and just go have me a bite to eat in there. Yeah, it's another hour and a half down the road, but hey, so be it. I don't think there is anything else on this US 75. I know there's a little dinky truck stop there and it's got a casino in it and everything. But I don't know if they got a restaurant in there or how good it is. I've never eaten in there, so I don't know. So I think that's what we're going to end up doing, is go up to Pearsall or whatever it's called up there and have me a bite to eat over there, right? I think that's what we're going to end up doing. That's the same, well, the Pilot is the same truck stop I met up with Trucker Jukebox the other day. Yep, you'll already have watched that video, I'm sure. That was a few days ago. Man, that sun is really, really bright today. Oh, that's shining off of the water here. Let me show you guys. You see that? The water is melting, or the snow is melting is what I meant to say. And so we're gonna go inside and have us something to eat. Take our half an hour break. Man, I'm gonna go inside. All right, guys, we just finished having lunch here. So now I want to show you something a bit on the edge. So if you're a lady, please close your eyes. Let's check this out. We got a little bit of a box here. So let's take a look. Have a real close look, guys, when I pull this. Did you guys see that? Let's try that again, guys. Look at that. Nice, eh? Let's try that one more time. There we go. So how many of you ladies got scared now? Anyways, let's get out of here. Time to get out of here, guys. It looks like it is a messy, messy day today, but hey, nothing I can do about that, right? It's just that way because they got a bit of a snowstorm through here yesterday. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I think I did, because I said I think I got pretty lucky there because the storm was, you know, like coming through here yesterday. Yet I was getting rain up there in Houston, right, when I left yesterday morning. And then as I got further north into Oklahoma, right, I got some ice rain up there. And that is the pilot I met up with Trucker Jukebox just the other day.
IA2.
That's it. But anyway, so I think I got pretty lucky because all of that is gone now, right? Now we got a beautiful day, nice sunshine. Yes, it is a little bit on the cooler side, but it's not super cold, you know, like it's winter, right? It's like -7, -8 or something like that. Nothing too bad, nothing too terribly bad. Nothing we can't handle, right? That's the way I like to think about it anyways. So now we gotta get back onto the interstate. Looks like we can go right here. Alright, here we go. Yeah. We only got about a half a mile, I would say, and we will be on I-29. That's it, yeah. So, now my buddy was telling me that they're supposed to be getting a big storm come through up there in Calgary this afternoon, and it's supposed to come southeast into the US. So I'm kind of worried that I might be running into it, but I'm really hoping I'm not. So we're going to go ahead and hammer down, keep our left door closed, and get out of here before the storm comes in over here, right? Again. Yeah, probably tomorrow afternoon or
in a quarter mile,
the next day we'll probably
to the left on
hit it over here, right? But anyways, we're going to go ahead and go on the 29 here and
to the left on
get on down the road. My goal is to make it up to Watertown, South Dakota today. And we got a good ways to go yet, I guess. Probably about another 5 hours, probably. We got 6 hours and 9 minutes in the clock right now as we speak. So yeah, it might even be 5.5 hours by the time we roll in there, but oh well, that's okay. Just get on down the road and make it happen, right? Well, looks like the road is dry here, right? Yeah, that's what it looks like, that's for sure. Well, we are getting some nice sunshine today, that is for sure. I'm real happy about that, I guarantee you on that. Yeah, we got 198 more miles to go, and then we'll be in Watertown already. Yes, indeed. It's not too far anymore, about 3.5 hours should be over there, so it's not too bad. We are already in Iowa on I-29, as you guys saw earlier that we were just getting onto I-29 there, right, when I the previous clip. So here we are, just cruising up and down the road. I think we're very close to Sioux City, Iowa right now. I see the scale up here to the left. That's the one I had to go over when I went south there. You guys probably remember that from my previous videos, eh? That's where the guy got on the radio and was a bit pissed at the one guy for stopping on the scale when the light was green, right? You guys remember that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys do. For those of you guys that actually watch my video anyways, right? Looks like they got 3 DOT cars in there today. I guess they're working their heart today. Oh well. I'm just going to go ahead and continue on cruising down the road here because there's no scale here. I'm in the clear, right? But yeah, I mean, I'm only half a tank of fuel anyway, so I should be alright. But yeah, let's get on down the road and make our way to Watertown, guys. Well, it looks like I might just be lucky enough to avoid the snowstorm coming through here again. Yeah, they're supposed to be getting some snow up here in this area right this evening here. So yeah, I got about another 80 miles further north to go, and I think they're getting some light flurries over there for the night, but it's not supposed to be anything serious by the sound of it. So I might just be lucky and get just north of it here, and I'll be here before, well, probably about 20 to 6 or something like that, maybe even a little earlier than that. I might be here in Watertown already, so that means I'll fuel up there, I'll probably be off duty by 6 o'clock already. So that means by 4 o'clock tomorrow morning I can go on duty and you know, get on down the road and try and avoid all the snowstorm coming through here, right? I haven't even looked exactly how far it is from here to get to Winnipeg yet, but we'll look at that later, right? That's how I look here. I think there's a sign up there saying to Fargo, 218 miles. And I know we got, so that'll be about 4 hours, close to 4 hours. No, not quite. Probably 3 3.75 hours, something like that. Yeah, probably 3 3/4 hours, probably. And so then from there, we got 2.5 hours to the border. So that'd be, let's say 4, so 5, 6. Yeah, it's 6.5 hours to the border, give or take. So if I leave here at 4, it'd be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And by 10:30, I could be at the border already. So I still haven't gotten my PARS clearance yet. So we'll send them a message here, and hopefully they'll get my PARS set up here pretty soon, because I want to cross there tomorrow as soon as I get to the border, right? I don't want to be sitting there and waiting till that clears, but hey, it is what it is, right? But anyways, let's make our way towards Watertown and get us a good night's sleep and continue on tomorrow with our journey, right? All right, guys, it is time to fuel up here in Watertown, South Dakota. I went ahead and got me this anti-gel fluid here, because we're going back north where it's really cold, right? I want to go ahead and make sure I put some of this stuff in here so we don't freeze up again, right? Or our fuel line doesn't freeze up, right? That's right, we got to make sure that that doesn't happen again, right? So this is the stuff that I use, and I know this is #1 fuel up here. It should be winterized, or they claim it's winterized, but I just want to be on the safe side, right? I went through this here a couple of weeks or a week ago or whatever, that my fuel line froze up, and I don't want to go through that again, right? That's not a good experience. Anyways, let me get this in here and then we'll go ahead and finish fueling. We have just finished fueling her up. Got 180 gallons worth of fuel, 613 bucks, and it says right here #1 fuel, right? So let's go inside and pay for the fuel, because we can't pay for it outside here at the card reader. And then let's go find us a parking spot. We have accomplished our goal again for today. Yes, indeed we have. Me made it to Watertown. As you guys saw, we fueled up here and did all that stuff. So now it's already the next morning. We had us a good night's sleep. I just started up the truck, so it's running a little rough, but hey, that's normal for my diesel anyways. But yeah, we're just finishing off our show here, and then we'll start a new day and get on our way home, sweet home, right? So with that being said, I appreciate you guys tuning in for another short show, or another good show, or whatever you want to call it. And we look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. So do all them things that make us love our job, guys. That is thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment down there below, and hey, if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and follow our daily journey and see what we're up to every day. Well, yeah, we would love to have you on board doing that, yeah? So with that being said, have a good one, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow.